Welcome to HOA Minutes, brought to you by HOA Start. I'm Wendy Larson, your host. Today we'll be discussing 5 ways to optimize your homeowners association's resident data. Your residents are the lifeblood of your community. To engage them more effectively and take good care of the business of your HOA, capture and organize member data so you can make optimal use of what you know about the people who live in your neighborhoods. Use these 5 approaches to data gathering and analytics to help you maximize resident involvement, especially through the website you use to help conduct HOA affairs. Number 1. Be consistent. As communities grow and evolve, responsibility for gathering resident data can pass through many people's hands. The result can be a collection of very differently organized files that make it difficult to pull all your records together into one cohesive document. Not only that, but variations in the way you record certain types of information can make your files even more challenging to organize. For example, as data files grow, record keeping can vary enough that some addresses show the full name of the state and others only use the 2-letter abbreviation popularized by the U.S. Postal Service. These sound like picky little details, until they're the reason your data aren't cohesive. To make sure you maintain consistency, set up a quick list of rules for interior. Number 2. Break it down. It looks so much easier to enter first, middle, and last names into one column of a spreadsheet than to break up the information into separate columns. Likewise, it may be tempting to enter street address, city, state, and zip code into a single column. But in the real world of data integrity, you want those pieces of information divided up into their most significant units, each in its own column. The software that powers homeowners association websites can offer you the ability to import your member data directly into their system, but if your data aren't organized the way their import file expects them to be, your options may be limited, or you'll have to divide up and reorganize your data to match. Number 3. Anticipate your data. Beyond basic personal details and simple geographical information, you may need to accrue other data about your residents. These can be as simple as the number of pets, parking spaces, or boat slips for an individual family, or as complex as lot designations and build phase numbers. You also may want the ability to add informational tags that identify specific roles your residents fulfill. As you plan for the stability and viability of your neighborhoods, look ahead to think through and capture the new kinds of information you'll need to acquire from your residents. In other words, plan ahead for what you'll need to know so you have a mechanism at the ready to store the data. Number 4. Stay ahead of your community members. If you're entering your member data incrementally as new people move into your community, it's essential that you keep up. And if you choose the right website software to power your homeowners association's website, you won't even need to type in the information at all. That's because you'll be able to import your resident data when you create your website, transferring the information from your in-house records to a template that you download from the administrative area of your website. Look for a software vendor whose application also gives you easy access to download your member data, and that enables you to customize the input form each prospect must complete to achieve website membership so you can require and obtain the information you need for analytics and more. Number 5. Back up and protect your information. Even the best-kept records do you no good if you don't secure and maintain them. The old observation that a file isn't backed up unless it's stored in 3 separate places that aren't under the same roof holds true for all types of essential records. Your website can serve as a primary backup of the information you enter about your residents. Of course, it's important to make smart decisions about how you delegate responsibilities for the resident data in your care. For one thing, you don't want a long list of people making updates, because that's a prescription for potential mistakes and accidental duplicates. It's also essential that anyone with access to website member data use smart privacy practices to avoid jeopardizing their computer system and its files. Along with how you prepare, organize, maintain, and protect your member data, it's essential to ensure that all your tools help you maximize your efficiency when it comes to how you collect and acquire that information. If your current HOA website doesn't have all of these features, take a few minutes to check out HOA Start. At HOA Start, we have years of experience working with homeowners associations of all kinds and sizes, from small communities to large HOAs with a mixture of single-family and multifamily development. We're convinced that we offer you the best choice for your homeowners association, and we're happy to prove it. Check out one of our demo sites, or sign up for a completely free 14-day trial and experience our full feature set for yourself. This is Wendy Larson with HOA Start. Bye for now.